Chapter 9. Comparison of Adjective. Learn with me. Read and understand. 1. The blue car is faster than the red car. Comparative degree. Faster. Compares speed of two cars. 2. This book is more interesting than the one I read last week. Comparative degree. More interesting. Compare interest level of two books. 3. The new playground is safer than the old one. Comparative adjective. Safer. Compares safety level of two playgrounds. 4. Sarah is taller than her brother. Comparative adjective. Taller. Compares heights of Sarah and her brother. We add er after the adjective stronger, shorter, heavier when we compare two nouns. The er form of adjectives is called the comparative degree. We use then after a comparative degree. Example: I am taller than you. Before some adjectives, we use more to make the comparative degree. We say more beautiful, more interesting, more intelligent, etc. Examples: 1. Your drawing is more beautiful than mine. 2. This quilt is more comfortable than the older one. Read the following sentence carefully. 1. She is the brightest student in the class. Superlative degree. Brightest. Compares intelligence among all students in the class. 2. This is the tallest building in the city. Superlative degree. Tallest. Compares height among all buildings in the city. 3. That was the most exciting movie I have ever seen. Superlative degree. Most exciting. Compares excitement among all movies seen. 4. It was the coldest day of winter season. Superlative degree. Coldest. Compares temperature among all days in the winter season. We use the est form of adjectives strongest, tallest, heaviest to compare more than two nouns. The est form of adjective is called the superlative degree. We use the before a superlative degree. Example: the blue whale is the largest and heaviest animal in the world. We use most before the some adjective to make the superlative degree. We say most beautiful, most interesting, most expensive, etc. Examples: 1. Rekha is the most intelligent girl in our class. 2. This is the most beautiful park in the city. Additional insight. Forming superlatives. For short adjective, add est at the end. Example: tall, tallest. For adjectives ending in e, just add st. Example: late, latest. For adjective with one syllable, double the last consonant and add est. Example: big, biggest. For long adjectives, use most before the adjectives. Example: beautiful, most beautiful.